My name is Mitch and I'm the founder and the CEO of ZYCI CNC Machining in Atlanta, Georgia. And we're an AS9100 machining business, primarily serving the aerospace and defense industry. Well, we use the SK holders in our Okuma MU5000, and that's a HSK. And we also use them with cab toe in our Okuma Multus machines. You know what, the experience has been really good. There's the application knowledge and the expertise is what's been super helpful. We get so busy in our day-to-day job of making parts that we don't necessarily know what all the technologies are that are out there. And there are tons of innovations happening around tooling. And getting that expertise from someone is not just a salesperson, but someone that's actually made parts before and solved challenges of things like cutters pulling out or work holding, etc. It's invaluable to us to have that domain expertise to rely on and the recommendations of the products to help solve those challenges. Would I recommend Lyndex-Nikken? Absolutely. I will continue to be a customer.